is, as I said, you have to go to the search bar. The search bar, you go to, there you have IDE as we did last time. Make sure you set up. When you set up, you go to mathematical operation. So yesterday we end with mathematical operation. We work on what? We work on addition, we work on subtraction. We have now today we are going to do something ahead, but we are still under mathematical operation. So what are we going to do today? We are going to work on the absolute value and trigonometry. Those are the two aspects that we are going to work today. Absolute value and trigonometry. So absolute value, absolute value. So now on absolute value, we have to define. Let's say A is equals to 45. Enter. B is equals to 30. Enter. C is equals to 60. Let's say minus 60, right? 60. Enter. Okay, now what are we looking for? Absolute. Absolute of underscore of A is equals to what? ABS absolute. That's the short form ABS. Okay. Absolute of A. Make sure you always press shift any aspect that any command that you are giving. Then obviously now absolute of A, you call now absolute back ABS. Absolute of what? A. We press enter. That's 45. We look for what? Absolute of B. Okay, is equals what? ABS absolute of B. Enter, right? Then what do you have again? ABS of B. And you call in to have the value of B. Then also absolute of C is equals to ABS of C. Enter, right? So you have absolute of C goes to 60. So we have here 60 and C was minus 60. So absolute. So it obviously means that the negative has going down to 0 because it is an absolute value. Are we there? So move on to trigonometry. Trigonometry. So on trigonometry now, let's start with cos. Cos cos of A is equals to, now we are going to have an error here. So okay, let's, if you say cos of A is equals to, let's say cos A, right? When you tap A, it tap A, it's going to give us error. Now what is the error? They say name error name cos is not defined. Obviously, for us to work in cosine and under trigonometry, we have to import a function called it math, right? We have to import math. So import math. You have to import math. If you don't import math, you are going to have error. Import math. Okay, now here we have cos back. Let's start back. Cos of A is equals to. So we have to call now math there or give us that function called math. Give us our cos of A. Math will calculate now. You call him, tell him, okay, math. We are looking for cos of A. Tell us, give us the answer without using the calculator. So we ask again now, okay, cos of B is equals to math dot cos of B, enter. So we tell him math dot give us cos of B, enter. Cos of B is equals to that. Okay, we see cos of C, cos of C equals to, we say math dot cos of C, enter. So we tell him math dot cos give us cos of C, C give us cos of C. So likewise also for sine. Okay, let's move on for sine. We say sine of A is equals to math dot sine of A. So tell him math give us math dot give us sine of A. How there? We have an error. Okay, what is the error coming from? Obviously, there's some problem here. Look at, we have sine of A. Sine of A, now this is it's sitting, we give a gap here. Sine of A equals to math dot sine of A. Math dot sine of A. So at this point, yeah, this was what we're supposed to do. It's a sine of A. We have sine of A is equals to math dot sine of A, math dot sine A scenario. So at this point, they are giving us, so they say the attribute modulus math has not attribute. Okay, we did not put the sign, we put the sim, put the m. I place the m instead of n, instead of n. You see, they give us, say, did you mean sign? They asked me, did I mean sign? So now at this point now I place sign, it gave me the right answer. So if you mistakenly you press m instead of n, it will give you an error. So and it's going to ask you if you mean by this one. Yes. So we'll move forward. We that is sign A, sign of B, sign of B equals to math dot sign of B. How they to call now math dot give us sign B. You tell him math give me sign B, enter sign B, is it. So likewise, yes, you will continue for the other sign C, then you can try again, even in tangent or all the cosine functions. Okay, you can move on. Math give me this, math give me this, math give me this. So it is going to give to you. So to recap now on what we have done today, the first aspect is that we start on mathematical operation. Yes. So on mathematical operation, we have the absolute value. The absolute value, we have A equals to 45, we have B equals to 30, and we define C equals to minus 30. Okay. So now we look for what the absolute of A. Absolute of A give us what 45. Absolute of B give us what 30. So the absolute of C give us what 60. So here was minus 60, but it give us 60 because why? Absolute value cancel anything negative. So we have again now trigonometry. We have cosine A equals to cos A. At this point, it gives us error because why? We have not yet bring out function called math, because before you start on trigonometry, at this point you have to bring on function called math. So we call, hey you math, come and help us. It is not easy this way. So import the math. You say, okay, you have to import me from this distance from this other point. So you say import the math, and when you import math now, the math came in and say, okay, what is your problem? Say, okay, my problem now is for me to calculate the cosine of A. It's okay, then that means you have to, I need to be first before anything is coming behind. He said, there's no problem. So now we sign, okay, we need cosine of A. Say, okay, now math dot cosine of A. Voila. So he love to be first. Math dot cosine of A. And when you place him first, he's very happy and he'll give you the right answer. So at this point now, you tell him, okay, this is what you want. Now you call him that mad dot cosine of A, he give you this answer. So you tell him again cosine of B. So you see need, because since you define A, B, and C, so you wanted to calculate for all. So you calculate now cosine of B. Is the cosine of B? He give to you. What is the cosine of C? He give to you. Okay, now there is something here. How do you manage to have this error? This error came in when we have sine of A equals to mad sine A, mad dot. This was supposed to be sine. We put M here instead of N. So that is why we have this error. And look at when you have error, make sure you read it. You see the attribute error, modulus mad has no attribute. Sim M is what they're not supposed to be there. So they ask you, did you mean sine? I say yes, of course. Are you asking answer? So at this point they say, okay, let's move forward. I now move now sine A equals to mad dot sine A. So mad dot sine A now give me this. Continue for B and continue for C. Okay? Yes, so that's good. So we have ended with the program of today. Yes, so don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will get in for the upcoming video that I'm going to upload. Yes, take care. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.